All right, question number 44, know how to distribute a polynomial with a trinomial. So go back and look over that section. Number 45, what is the simpler form of this expression? All we're doing is we're foiling. So 4 times 4k is going to give me, or 3k is going to give me 12k cubed. 4 times 5k is going to give me negative 20k squared. This is going to give me negative 16k. We're going to do 5 times 3, which gives me positive 15k squared. 5 times negative 5 gives me negative 25k. Then that's going to give me negative 20. We're going to combine like terms. I don't have any other term like 12. So this becomes 12k cubed minus 5k squared. 16 plus 25 gives me negative 41k, and then minus 20. Number 46, what is the simplest form of this? This is a perfect square binomial. Remember, that's the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 2, that means 2x squared plus 2 times 2x times negative y to the third plus negative y to the third squared. Okay, so this is going to become 4x squared minus 2x times y cubed is going to give me 4x y cubed, and then that's going to be plus y. 3 times 2 is 6. You can also just take 2x minus y cubed times 2x minus y cubed and FOIL it out. This is the shortcut. What is the factored form of this following expression? This should be fairly straightforward and easy. Both of these are going to be positive. The factors of 5 are 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Number 48, we're going to divide by 3x squared. So I'm just going to take each one of these and I'm going to simplify it. 3x 12 divided by 3 is 4x 2 minus, or 3 minus 2 gives me 1. All right, minus 6 divided by 3 is, so we're going to do 3x cubed, 3x squared, 3x squared. Okay, that becomes 2. And then plus, that's going to become 10 on top, and then there's going to be x in the bottom. Number 49, we're going to simplify. All we need to do is factor the bottom. I know one of my factors is going to be 7. And we're going to have a minus and a plus. I'm betting it's probably going to be x minus 7. 7 times 2 gives me 14. 7 plus 2 gives me 9. So that's negative 7 and positive 2. So the 7s are going to cancel out. So you're left with 1 over x plus 2, where x cannot equal 0 or negative 2. Number 50. If an object is dropped from the height of 256 feet, and this equation of this object, when will the object hit the ground? So I'm saying 0 is equal to negative 16t squared plus 256. There's no bx term, so I'm going to solve being the square root method. So negative 256 is equal to negative 16t squared. 256 divided by 16 is going to give me 16 is equal to t squared. That gives me t is equal to 4. So it takes 4 seconds. Number 51, vertex and axis of symmetry. The easiest way to do this is to go with your graphing calculator. I go to y equals, clear, clear. I'm going to put my equation in. That is x hold on. Yep. This one's going to be fun because, let's look. X squared plus 2x minus 1, second graph. My vertex is right here at -1, -2. See how I have symmetric pairs? -1, -1. So my vertex is at -1, -2. My axis of symmetry is going to be the x value in our vertex. That's it. This is our vertex. 51, solving using square root. So I'm going to move the 18 over, so that becomes 2x squared equal to 18. 18 divided by 2 gives me x squared is equal to 9. So x is equal to plus or minus 9. Know how to complete the following sentence. You can verify zeros of this given function using a graph by finding where the graph crosses the y-axis. In this case, so it's not where it crosses we want to identify the zeros, so that is where it crosses the x-axis. 54, we're going to graph this given function. So I'm going to have a parent function is here, we're shifting it up 1 unit. So that's all we're doing is shifting it up 1 unit. Okay, so 55, 56, and 57, we're using the graph given to us here. So we've got this function. Oops. It should be that function. There we go. Models the population where x is the number of 30-minute periods. We want to know what is the y-intercept and the asymptote. The asymptote is going to be y is equal to 0. The y-intercept is going to be 0, 400. That's your A value. What is the meaning of the y-intercept? That is, we have 400 starting bacteria population. Number 57. If we decrease the function by a factor of 0.5 with every unit increase of x, where the x is 0 and the value of the function is 7, we're going to write an exponential function that change. What the value of the should be 5. So it should be 200. Yep. Times 3 to the power of x. I will verify that. All right, I'm going to end the lesson here, and I may come back and revisit this one in the next video. We'll see.